Encountering a cellular update failed error after updating your iPhone, this problem often arises due to network settings, SIM issues, or software compatibility. Don't worry, this guide will provide you with effective solutions to resolve the error and restore your cellular functionality. Let's get started. Solution 1, turn on and off airplane mode. Open settings on your iPhone. Look for airplane mode at the top. Turn on and turn it back off and see if this helps you to get your cellular bar or not. Solution 2, eject and reinsert SIM card. Sometimes a simple SIM card reset can help. Use a SIM ejector tool or a paperclip to remove the SIM card tray. Take out the SIM card and wait for a few seconds. Reinsert the SIM card and ensure the tray is securely closed. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 3, update iOS to the latest version. If Apple releases a minor update to fix post-update issues, installing it may help. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, then tap Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Solution 4, turn off restriction. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Screen Time, scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Turn off restrictions for your iPhone. Solution 5, turn network selection off and on. Resetting the network selection can refresh your connection. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap on Cellular, scroll down, tap on Network Selection and toggle it off. Wait a moment, then toggle it back on. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 6, reset network settings. This can fix misconfigurations affecting cellular connectivity. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then select Reset. Choose Reset Network Settings and confirm your choice. Note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cellular data update failed error on your iPhone. If this guide helped, don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for the next video.